Hey guys, hope you're all well. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to get a worktop for nothing. I got given an old bunk bed, and what I've done here is I've used the old bed slats, and it's literally cost me nothing. So I'll show you now how I did it. Right. So the bed slats that come with the bed that I was given, decided to cut them down and use them for the worktop. Quite light, some of them are a bit uneven, but I'm going to stick them all down, screw them on, and then I'm going to plane over the top. So I'll show you that in a second. So cut all the bed slats down, roughly got them into place where they're going to go. So quite flat, to be fair. I thought they was going to be a bit more uneven considering they were bed slats, but all good. So I'm going to screw these down now, then I'm going to go over the top, sand it down, try and get it any more even, flatter. There's a few little gaps in between each one, so what I might do is I might sand down some of the along the edge just to try and close the gap. It's not too bad, to be fair, but I might just go over and fill them in a bit before it gets varnished. So all good. Also, what I'm doing along the front where the doors are going to be opening and closing, I've overlapped the top by 9mm, just so when the doors get put on the front, the doors don't stick further out. So at least now the doors will be tucked underneath the unit, nice and flush. Right, so because I haven't got a compass, I've measured the circle, the outside of the sink, and I need to cut 1 centimetre in from the lip of the circle of the sink, and I haven't got a compass. So I've gone round measuring 10mm all the way around the circle, and just gradually dot to dot. So done it now, so now I can cut this out. So now the holes are cut out for the sink and the tap. I've gone along the bed slats and just filled in all the screw holes and just a few gaps that was along the top. So it's looking good, all rubbed down, ready to stain now. So the kitchen worktop is all installed now. I've put the tap in, got the sink in, it's all stained, all good. Got the backsplash, the back there as well. So I'm happy. So other than screws that I already had for the build and the stain that I already had for the ceiling, it literally has cost me nothing, and it's flat and I'm happy with it. It's good. So I hope this might help some people, and please subscribe for more videos, and see you soon. Take care.